Sanibona bantwana. Are you ready for the body song? First we're gonna sing I have a head, I have an arm, and I have a leg. Let's go.
Nginekhanda, nginengalo, nginomlenze.
Very good. Let's sing that one more time.
Nginekhanda, nginengalo, nginomlenze.
Now we're gonna sing I have a hand, I have a shoulder, and I have a foot. Are you ready?
Nginesandla, nginehlombe, nginonyawo.
Very good. Let's sing that one more time.
Nginesandla, nginehlombe, nginonyawo.
Very good. Now we're gonna sing I have ears, I have eyes, and I have a mouth. Here we go.
Nginezindlebe, nginamehlo, nginomlomo.
Now let's sing that one more time.
Nginezindlebe, nginamehlo, nginomlomo.
Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com